Warm welcome to another video of Accessible Computing, and you are watching Accessible Computing YouTube channel. I'm your tech assistant, tech friend Ratul. Today I'm going to tell you a very useful application. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Friends, we have a problem, right? Especially when we go out, we have a problem. We cannot understand what the objects around us. Even when we will go another area which is not known to me, then the problem will happen. The same problem will happen, right? So to solve this problem, Eyecan team has developed an application called Eyecan, Eyecan, and with the help of this application you can see all the things. I will show you the total demonstration, and this is the paid application, but now it's free for all. So let's start the video. I have already downloaded the application from Play Store. You can also download the application from Play Store. Eyecan, Eyecan. Also, the link is in the description below. So I'm just finding the application and open.
Suit me apps. Click to Tech Freedom. Easy access. Eyecan.
This is the application. Now I'm double tapping here.
Eyecan. Eyecan. Welcome to Eyecan. Sign in with your Google account to continue.
Okay, so I need to sign in.
Sign in button.
Click on sign in.
Google Play Services. Google Play Services. Choose an account.
Okay, I want to sign in with my
Rachel Kathaker Julie. Accessible Computing. Info. Add another account. Accessible Computing. Info.
This is our official email.
Google Play Services.
Sign in with our email ID.
Eyecan.
Don't
Sign
send this email to this email.
Remind me later button. New version of application is available. Your current version is 2.9.0 and the latest version is 2.8.3. Click on update to update the app now.
Okay, so it reminds me to update. Okay, I'm updating.
Update. What's new? Open. Select default. Get apps. Google Play
Store.
Not ticked. Remember. Select. Cancel. Details for app. You've got open button. You've got early access to this app. Open. Eyecan.
Okay, so I'm opening again.
What's new? What's new in this update? 1. New community section added. 2. New game section added. 3. PDF issue solved. 4. Minor bug fixes. Remind me later. New.
Remind me later.
What's
I'm
new?
doing later.
What's
okay.
new in okay?
I'm clicking on OK.
Congratulations. You have been gifted a subscription. We are grateful to our user Mr. Adhijayan Sengupta, who has volunteered to pay for your subscription. Play audio button.
Okay, so this is the this is something volunteer who pays your subscription. Okay.
Okay button.
You can click on OK, or you can
play audio.
Play the audio.
Button.
I'm not playing the audio. I'm clicking on OK button.
Eyecan. Read expandable list. 1 of 5. In list.
Read expandable list. So let's see what are the options there.
Maps expandable list.
Maps
2 of 5.
Expandable list. Okay, every list you can expand. Okay, I'm swiping from left to right again.
Surroundings expandable list.
Surroundings.
3 of 5.
I'll show you.
Communities expandable list.
Communities.
4 of 5. More options expandable list.
More options.
5.
So
Eyecan.
Let's see.
Read expandable list. 1
read
of 5. In list.
expandable
5
list.
items.
So I'm just expand it.
Scan text.
Scan
2
text.
of 8. Read PDF.
Read
3 of
PDF.
8. Read image. 4 of
Read
8.
image. I'm not going to so much details because we know.
Maps expandable list. Read.
Okay.
Read. Scan text. 2
Scan
of 8.
text.
Read. Scan
So
text.
suppose
2 of 8.
I don't have any like I don't have any so much what you can say. I don't have any so much scan text, but I think I don't have the paper or don't have any books right now for scanning, but still I'm trying.
Scan text.
So I have a product, I want to scan it.
Allow icon
Let's
to
see.
take. Deny. Allow.
Okay,
Button.
I need to allow the camera access.
Scan. Navigate up. Scan. Chat with us.
Chat with us.
Copy. Button. Share. Button. History. Capture. Button.
So I'm just capturing something. Let's see.
Navigate up. Scan. Chat with us. Copy. BHEEM Hadahim Baser.
I don't know.
Copy. Button.
It's
Share. History.
Really
Button.
or not, but still.
Capture. Button.
I'm trying again. We're capturing. Okay. Now see.
Navigate up. Scan. Chat with us. Eam. Copy. Button. Share. History. Button.
It's not. You can say it's not working fine, but you can try yourself. Okay.
Translate button.
Translate. You can also translate.
Capture. Button.
Okay. I'm going to translate.
Unable to translate.
Unable
Let the
to
audio
translate.
package download.
Let the audio package download. I
Capture
think there is
button.
lots of package will be downloaded, but I'm going back.
Liked it? Don't show again. Button.
Don't show again.
Scan. Capture.
Now
Eyecan.
next.
Read PDF. 3 of
Read
8.
PDF, read images. I'm not showing you, but you can explore yourself.
Read image. 4 of 8.
Read image.
Maps expandable. Search
Now
location.
maps.
Surroundings expandable list.
Surroundings.
6 of 8. Search location. 5. Nearby places. 4 of
Nearby
8.
places.
My current location.
My
3
current
of 8.
location.
Maps expandable list.
Okay.
My current location. 3 of 8.
If I know my current location, or if I search anything, any location, anywhere, so I have to give the permission to use my location or access my location, right? So for video purpose, I'm giving. I'm just going
Allow
to my-
icon to access this device's location. Deny.
I'm allowing.
I can. My current location.
My current
3 of
location.
8. In nearby places. My
So I'm
current
clicking
location.
on my
3
current location.
Nangi
Let's see.
Goshpura Road. Nangi. Nearby places. 4 of 8.
Nearby places. I'm going to nearby places.
Maps. Navigate up. Button. Out
You
of
can
list.
see that my location. It shows my location.
Maps.
Maps.
Chat with us. Voice search. Get current services. Double tap to expand.
Services.
Shopping. Double tap to
Shopping.
expand. Food and drink. Double tap
Food
to
and
expand.
drink.
3 of 7.
These are the categories. Okay, so this is nearby places. If I want to
Things to do.
Like,
Double tap. Religious places. Health. Double tap to travel. Double tap. Health. Food. Shopping. Double. Shopping.
if I want to shop, so I'm just expanding the shopping.
Malls. 3 of
Malls.
10. Groceries.
Groceries,
Clothing. 4
Clothing.
of electronics.
electronics,
Home and garden.
Home
5
and garden.
of 10. Beauty supplies.
beauty
Food and
supplies.
drink. Double thing. Home.
Suppose-
Clothing.
I want to shop grocery.
Grocery.
I'm clicking
Nearby
on groceries.
places.
So let's see.
Navigate up. Nearby. Chat with us. Go to Sedes. Go to Grocery G62C plus 8R6. Nangi. Budge Budge. Kolkata. 0.16 km. 1 of 20.
These are the nearby stores or nearby results which I can give me.
Sideswari Bandar Nangi Railway Station Road. Parbangla. Badanagar. Maheshtala. 0.25 km. 2 of 20.
These are the results. It's like if you have been using ID Pro or any time if you have used ID Pro, then you know what's that. Okay,
Maps. Groceries. 3
Groceries.
of 10. Clothing. Malls.
Okay.
Shopping. Double tap
So-
to service.
I'm going to services. Services. I am expanding services now. I'm swiping left right.
Bank. 2 of
Bank.
13. ATM.
So I want to nearest ATM, right? So I'm clicking on ATM.
Nearby places. Navigate. Near. Chat with us. Canara Bank ATM Nangi Railway Station Road.
Canara
Newland,
Bank
Baden.
ATM.
State Bank ATM
State
Nangi
Bank
Station.
ATM.
Boy ATM Nangi Railway
Boy
Station.
ATM.
Axis Bank ATM ground floor.
Axis Bank ATM.
Axis Bank ATM ground floor.
Axis Bank
Nangi.
ATM.
But Indicash ATM F6XH plus 422.
Indicash
Valarampur,
ATM.
Maheshtala, 0.
Okay.
ICICI Bank ATM PO
ICICI
plus
Bank
PS.
ATM,
Nangi
every
Railway
ATM.
Station Road. Malik.
Now I want to go
Indicash ATM.
Indicash ATM. I have clicked.
Welcome to Google Maps navigation. Don't forget to pay attention to your surroundings and always obey the law. These terms apply. Got IT button.
Just click on got it.
Maps. Finding best route 3 full map bearing 315 degrees button. Head east toward Nangi Goshpara.
Turn left onto Nangi Goshpara Road.
Okay, so these are the directions. When you click on every when you click on the desired location, like groceries shops, like groceries items or anything ATMs, the Google Maps will be opened and you will be instructed by the Google Voice Assistant. I'm not going to in detail right now anymore. Now next option.
Nearby ICICI Bank 8 Maps
Backing.
8 Eyecan Search Surround Community Surroundings Expandable List
Surroundings.
6 of 8
Let's see.
Find object Communities Find objects
Find
offline
objects
6 of 8
offline.
Find objects
Find
5
objects. It's used online using
Describe
internet.
scene 4 of 8
Describe scene.
Surroundings expandable list Describe scene
Let's
4 of
see.
8
We are going to describe the scene.
This feature is experimental. You may find bugs. Description
Okay, no
activity.
problem, no problem.
Navigate. Description. Capture. Button. Description activity. Click to add image. Button. Capture.
Now
Button.
suppose I am capturing. Let's see what will happen.
Error executing post request. Received error code 400.
Something error happens.
Click to add image.
Okay, so this is the experiment
Eyecan.
feature.
Describe scene. 4
So
of 8. In
I will
list.
report
8 items.
them.
Find objects. 5
Now
of 8.
I am going to find objects.
Icon. Feedback. Button.
What happened?
Capture. Start live. Button.
Start live.
Go back. Button. Start live.
Click on
button.
start live and I am moving around to my room and please listen carefully.
Please wait. Please wait.
Furniture. Tints and shades. Wood. Shelf.
It's shelf, not
Shelf.
You can see it's shelf.
Gas.
Now let
Vision care. Electronic device.
it's electronic device means
Finger.
my
Nothing found. Comfort. Comfort. Gesture. Shoulder. Window. Wood. Property. Furniture. Comfort. Building.
okay, so you can
Wood.
see
Gas.
this is also the
Electrical
experimental
wiring.
feature. Electrical
Bicycle
wiring.
tire.
Bicycle
Bicycle
tire.
tire.
I don't know what is the bicycle tire.
Window.
I don't have any bicycle tire
Eyecan.
right now.
Find
Mhm.
objects.
Okay.
Find objects offline.
Find
6
objects
of 8.
offline. You can do it your own.
Communities expandable.
Communities.
More options expand.
Go to communities.
I can read maps expandable. Social
Item
group.
setting.
Android game.
Social
Social
group.
groups. 5 of 7.
Social groups.
Android games.
Android
6.
games.
More options expand.
Let's
Communities.
see what
Blind
is
and
there.
join. Blind and visually impaired friends. Join. Blind and vision impaired support. Join. Blind and visual.
There are lots of groups you can
Eyecan.
join.
Android games.
Android games.
Communities.
Let's see.
A blind. Join. A blind legend.
A blind legend.
Wizard's choice. 2 of
Wizard's
3.
Choice.
Join. Blind cricket. 3
Blind
of 3.
cricket.
Join.
Okay, there are lots of games. There are 3 to 4
Eyecan.
games.
More options.
Now, what
Share
are
this
there
app.
in more options? Let's see.
Exit. 8 of 8. Share this app.
Share
7
this
of
app.
8. Exit.
Exit. Okay, I'm exiting.
What's new? What? Okay.
Complete.
Icon.
Okay.
Congratulations. You have play. Okay.
Okay. So
Eyecan.
this is the application overview. I am just providing the overview. I'm not going to in detail because there are lots of service which now is under development. Okay, so if any updates, any bug will be fixed, which now I am facing or which now you may be faced. Okay, so in every problem you can send to the directly developer. The developer email ID you can find in the Play Store when you want to download this application. But I am requesting all of my viewers, please try this application and please give the feedback to the developer, and also I will contact with the developer and tell him what the challenges I am facing. You can also tell them, and also you can discuss in our Telegram group also. Then I will forward your query to our to the developer also. You can also email us in accessiblecomputing@yahoo.com. And I think you have to install, you have to use, you have to just experiment with this application, and don't forget to comment into the comment section. I know the video is quite big, but this is my humble request to all of you. Please do like, subscribe and share, and also comment your important comments. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.